Hey everybody, it's Peter from Brantford Kia. We actually have a real legit good deal. Grant, show them what we got. $5,000 factory discount. Now normally you see that on like a pickup truck that costs $60,000. We're talking this car behind us. We're gonna go through this car. If you know anybody over the holidays that wants a really great deal, $5,000 factory discount on a car, this is the video you need to share. We'll go over it in the video in a second. Grant, you are our top salesperson. Tell me the 5 things. We're gonna do 5 things video. 5 things. What are 5 things you need to talk about?
Do we need this paper at this point?
Well, yeah. I mean, if you want.
Like any more?
I'll take it from you. We're good?
I was going to crush it.
Perfect. 5 things.
Every Kia, 5 years or 100,000 kilometers of comprehensive coverage come with the car automatically. You're not paying for extended warranty at that point, which you would at any other manufacturer. 5 years of roadside service comes with every Kia. 5-star safety rating. It's the highest safety rating. Every single vehicle we produce now.
So yeah.
There's $5,000 off.
And you get a $5,000 discount. I'm gonna spend a couple minutes going over the car, talk about 5 things in the car, and then like I said, share this video with anybody you know because we only have how many cars left? 5 cars left. We got these specially for this sale. There's very few in the country, but they're $5,000 off on an economical, inexpensive car. Let's go talk about it.
Let's do it.
All right, so Grant talked about a number of his 5s. Now I'm gonna talk about 5 more things about this car. The very first thing, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This beautiful screen here is a 7-inch screen. It has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a backup camera. But what's the big deal with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay? Well, you can text easily, you can see things that way. The biggest thing is you get navigation in this car. So it uses your cell phone, but it projects it onto the screen. You can say, take me to the CN Tower, and it'll take you there. You don't even need to know the address. If you want to know more, we can talk about Android Auto, give us a call. We can do a whole demonstration. We can even send you a YouTube video of an Android Auto tutorial if you want to know more. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, no matter which smartphone you have, you've got functionality bringing it to this screen. It works awesome. The second thing I'm going to tell you about is drive modes. This car has 3 of them, Eco, Normal, and Sport. What does that mean? Basically, this car is going to drive any way you want it to. If you want a car that feels peppy all the time, leave it in Sport mode. You want a car that, when you're driving economically, it's going to do everything it can to work with you to get better fuel efficiency, leave it in the Eco mode. Just want it the way it would come from the factory, leave it in Normal mode. Easy to change, 1 button, works great. Third thing I'm going to talk about is comfort. Couple things you can do. Tilt and telescopic wheel. Again, $5,000 off on a fairly inexpensive car. This is the cheapest car on the lot. Tilt and telescopic wheel, height adjustable seats, and both front seats are heated. So 3 levels of heating in both front seats as well. You can get comfortable in this car no matter who you are. Tall, small, doesn't matter. Fourth thing, convenience. The steering wheel is loaded with convenience. You've got automatic headlights at your fingertips reach. You don't even have to touch them because when it gets dark, your headlights will turn on automatically for you. No more driving with no taillights on at night. You've got steering wheel controls for cruise control. That's right, cruise control is on this car as well. Steering wheel controls for an information display in the center that gives you all kinds of readouts like fuel economy, all kinds of things. You've also got Bluetooth controls. You can talk to your car right from the steering wheel. You don't have to touch the screen. You can tell it where you want to go, for instance, for navigation and other things. You've also got audio controls right there on the steering wheel. Super, super convenient. And the 5th thing I want to show you, the last thing, a trunk large enough to hold a salesman. There we go. So if you want this car, give us a call. Grant, what's your phone number?
226-387-3607.
226-387?
3607.
3607. That's Grant's personal cell phone number, or call us on our website or our business line, 519-304-6542. See you later, Grant.
See ya.
We should do this together. So flip it like this. No, like top side up. So you can just go like up like that. Hold over. No, this isn't gonna work. 1, 2, 3. That's called I'm filming right now. It's actually recording.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut that.
Okay, shut up. Shut up for a minute.